If you've been dreaming of starting a YouTube channel but have been thinking, I'm too old for this, I'm here to tell you that is absolutely not true. This is one of my most favorite trends on YouTube right now because I get so excited talking about YouTube, and I love the idea of people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, 60s getting on YouTube. I think that there is such high demand for these demographics right now, and there has absolutely never been a better time for you to join YouTube. My name's Grace. I am a social media manager and a video creator for small businesses, and I am really passionate about creating content and about YouTube specifically. I am on a journey right now of trying to create more videos on YouTube to challenge myself, hopefully become monetized one day, and just see if I can really take this YouTube thing seriously. If that sounds interesting to you, I would love if you follow along, hit the subscribe button. It'd be great to have you as part of our community. Okay, so let's break the age barrier myth. You might be thinking, I'm too old for YouTube, or I'm too old to start something new. Neither one of those statements is even the least bit true. You are never too old to start something new. In fact, you should just be continuing to challenge yourself and create new things all of the days of your lives. I don't believe in any this was that you've already passed your prime. I feel like you only have one life and you should take every opportunity that you get. And a lot of people on YouTube have started later in life, and it's actually become even more popular that people in older age demographics are getting on YouTube. These are some of the examples of people that have started later in YouTube and are doing really well and building very strong communities. And just in general, it's never too late to start something new. What is the thing? Like Vera Wang, I think I heard that Vera Wang didn't start designing wedding dresses until she was in her 40s. Is that right? There's something about that. And if that's not inspiring, I don't know what is. It's never too late to try something new. If you want to do it, just do it. Another reason why you should absolutely start a channel if you are over 35 is that you've got life authority. You have already lived. You've got lots of experiences that you can draw upon, and this will give you authority in whatever space that you're in. Even if you want to talk about like finances, let's say in your 60s and you have been managing your personal finances or your family finances for 40 years, that is a lot of value and that is a lot of experience that you can draw upon, and people are going to trust you and trust what you have to say. Viewers often trust creators who have been through similar circumstances and experiences in life. So again, just the fact that you've gone through different life experiences, that is going to give viewers a chance to connect with you. Another reason why you need to get on YouTube now is because the audience is waiting. There are huge numbers of people in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s that are watching YouTube, and they are looking for people like them. They want to watch people that are in a similar age category as themselves. And right now there aren't that many creators in the space, so there has really never been a better time for you to get into it. Let's say fitness is your thing, and specifically you're in your 50s and you could talk about fitness for people that are in their 50s and beyond. People like to connect with someone who understands their personal challenges. So you are the best person to speak to someone in their 50s about fitness because you're going to have something that they can relate to. Another reason you need to sign up for YouTube today is that it is a great creative outlet and a really good opportunity for personal growth. If you take the time to learn new skills for your YouTube channel, that's really exciting in and of itself. It doesn't even matter if your YouTube channel, skyrockets or becomes super successful at first. You need to do it not even hoping that that's going to happen. Well, you can hope for it, but you need to do it not counting on that to happen. You should be creating a channel because you want to do it for yourself. Think about it. If you learn all the skills for YouTube, so filming, editing, thumbnail creation, SEO, all of these different factors, that's something you can be really proud of. And it will even be something that's going to bolster your confidence on a day-to-day basis and something you can talk about with your friends and family. You can bring up these new skills that you've had. It can turn into interesting conversation. And yeah, just in general, it's a great opportunity for personal growth. It's never too late to start. And I think one of the important things to consider when you are starting a YouTube channel or you're starting a new adventure like this is to Keep things simple at first, start small, and then eventually you're going to grow. Don't overwhelm yourself with too much information or talk yourself out of it by saying, I don't have the right camera, I don't have the right microphone, or anything like that. Use what you already have and just start experimenting. Use your phone. Don't worry about getting a microphone or anything else. Just start today and you're going to learn from there. Everybody's videos at first are bad, just so you know. Even if you look at like the top creators like Mr. Beast, or, Think Media. Who else would you guys know of? Anyone. Any top creators. All of our videos are terrible at first. My videos are terrible at first. They're still not great. Let's be honest. We are growing and learning with every single video we make. The only way that you're going to get better is by practicing. You're going to learn something new with every mistake you make, and then you're not going to make that mistake again, right? So you need to just use what you have, use the equipment you already have, get a free editing app. You can use CapCut, DaVinci Resolve. Those are my two favorite ones. If you have a MacBook, you can use iMovie. It's very simple. Keep your editing simple. And like I said, you'll learn as you go. One of the great things about YouTube, the best thing about YouTube actually, I would say, is that you are building a community. So you get to surround yourself with like-minded people that have similar interests to you and that want the best for you, and you can just build this really great community. That's great for people of any age, but I also feel like as I get older, that's something I crave even more. It can become more difficult to meet people as you get older and to make friends depending on your circumstances. Like I work from home, so there's not very many opportunities. So by building a community online, it can be so nice to get that human connection. Even though it's through a screen, there's a person on the other side and you're connecting with them. And that is like one of the main reasons that I think everyone should start a YouTube channel. Now, regarding getting started, it is best if you pick some kind of niche. And by niche, I mean just something that you're going to consistently talk about. So that could be gardening, it could be DIY crafts, it could be woodwork, life coaching, like I said, finances, anything like that. Pick some kind of topic that you know a lot about and that you enjoy talking about. That's one of the most important things. So you can actually look at your work skills. There might be something that you've done for work that you like to share and talk about online, but it could also just be a hobby, something that you're good at and that you want to talk about more. That's the first step, is to pick a topic, and then I recommend picking a topic and then try to come up with like 30 video ideas on that topic. Do some quick brainstorming, come up with 30 possible video ideas, and then the next step is to actually schedule when you are going to film, let's say, the first 5 video ideas, okay? I know this may sound like a lot, but again, if you're picking a topic, something that you're comfortable talking about, this shouldn't be that hard of a task. The most important thing is that you actually end up filming it and you prioritize filming it. Because one of the most important things on YouTube is to be consistent. This can be really challenging, but if you can look at your schedule and kind of think of what can you realistically incorporate into your schedule. So maybe that's going to be 1 video a week, maybe it's going to be 1 video a month, maybe it'll be 3 videos a week. I don't know what your time allotment is, but whatever you choose, give yourself a deadline and stick to it. And then that is going to help you be consistent and then hopefully actually grow on YouTube. If you click on this video, you're obviously curious about starting your YouTube channel. So today I really want to encourage you to just take that first step, no matter how small it is. So whether that's sitting down and filming your first video, or it's sitting down and brainstorming what your niche is going to be, or some video ideas, whatever that first step is for you, take it, do it right now. Believe me, you will not regret it. To hold you accountable too, I encourage you to leave a comment down below with what your next step is. So whether your next step is to post your next YouTube video, film your first video, or to just even pick your niche, or you can tell me what your niche is in the comments below. I feel like taking that one small act is going to hold you accountable to actually starting your YouTube channel. Like I said, this is something that I get really fired up about. I'm really excited for people to start YouTube channels and older demographics to start YouTube channels. I just can't wait to see the content that you're producing. If you want more tips on content creation, watch this video next. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon.